Now coming to exercise 2.1. First question is to write any two quadratic equations so that you can write on your own. Second is to decide whether the following are quadratic equations or not. First one you can do, second one you can do. Now third one I will show you. They have given y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. Now first we will bring it into the proper form, multiply throughout by y. So this will become y square into y plus 1 upon y into y is equal to 2 into y. So this becomes y cube plus 1 is equal to 2y. So this will be y cube minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So you can see that since the degree of this polynomial is 3, it is not a quadratic equation. Next, fourth one, x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2. Now again down there is x, so multiply by x. So you get x into x plus 1 upon x into x is equal to minus 2 into x. So it is x square plus, now x and x gets cancelled, so 1 is equal to minus 2x. Further, it will be x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so then you can write comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Okay. How do we write in proper steps? I will show you. Suppose the first one you get it in this form, x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. This is our question. Simply write comparing. This is already in the proper form, so no arrangement to be done. Comparing with. If you don't write this, you are going to get 0 in the exam. Plus bx plus c equal to 0. Where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Okay? So this you have to write always in your final conclusion when you are saying that. And when it is not, you will directly write. Here if you see your fifth sum, again multiply both the brackets and get the answer. And the sixth one, m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 3m cube. So this first bring it in proper form, that is m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 3m cube. So bring everything to the LHS first and simplify. So when I bring everything to the LHS, I get m cube minus 3m cube, let us write the like terms together, plus 3m square minus 2 equal to 0. So minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 equal to 0. So since you are having a cube, you cannot call it as a quadratic. You can write that since degree is equal to 3, it is not a quadratic. Okay. So this will complete your first question. This will complete your first question. Now exercise 2.1, question number 3. You have to write the equations in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and write the values of a, b and c. I will solve the fifth sum. Okay, I will solve the fifth sum. P into bracket 3 plus 6p is equal to minus 5. First step is to bring it into ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Open up the bracket. 3p plus 6p square is equal to minus 5. So you get 6p square plus 3p plus 5 equal to 0. And then you will write, comparing with, that sentence is to be written, that comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a is equal to 6, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 5. Okay, this is how you are going to do. So solve all the sums of question number 3 accordingly. Now let's see exercise 2.1 fourth sum. X square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0, and you have to check whether x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1, whether it is the root of this equation or not. So first we will take the left hand side of the equation. LHS is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. Substitute the value of x as 1. Solve it. You get it as 0. Now see, in the RHS there is 0. So since LHS is equal to RHS, x equal to 1 is the root. Now we will check for x is equal to minus 1. Again take LHS is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. Substitute it as minus 1. Solve. You get it as minus 8, and that is not equal to 0. That means LHS is not equal to RHS. So x is equal to minus 1 is not the root. Then you have question number 5 to find the value of k when they have given you the equation and they have given you one root. The equation given is kx square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0, and they are saying that 3 is one of the root. That means if you put x is equal to 3 in this equation, it is going to hold true. So wherever x, put 3 and solve and get the value of k. Similarly, solve the sixth sum.